Hello, this is Valerie Killefer from the 2010 National Restaurant Association Restaurant Hotel Motel Show. With me is Don Sweeney, CEO of the National Restaurant Association. Don, the Restaurant Performance Index rose above 100 for the first time in April, for the first time in 27 months. What do you think that is signifying to the industry and how restaurant operators are feeling?
I must say, Valerie, it was a wonderful moment when that happened, because we have been working for so long, for just a very long 2.5 years. We just couldn't seem to come to a place where the industry was able to come back even close to levels of success that we had seen in just as recently as 2007. And so when the RPI rose over 100, it's a Restaurant Performance Index for the first time, as you say, in 27 months, it was a feeling, I think, to the industry, and certainly signaled to us that some of the challenges that we've been facing, while still there in magnificent ways, the industry is working through, and we are creating an environment where consumers feel more and more comfortable going back out to eat. And that's such an incredible piece of this. Consumer confidence is such an important part of our success here. And so we view this as a leading indicator, we hope, of a larger, not complete, obviously, economic recovery, but at least a return from a consumer's perspective of being willing to return to some of those moments of celebrations, however small or large, in getting back out to eat, which is very important, obviously, to all of us.
Well, and speaking of consumers, there's been a lot of talk at the show this year about providing consumers with nutritious menu items, nutritious beverage offerings, and the NRA also recently came out in support of the Healthy Weight Commitment Foundation. How do you think that's going to change how operators conduct their business as well?
Our industry started probably 2.5 years ago as we launched a new strategic plan focused on 4 imperatives, one of which is food and healthy living. And food and healthy living to us as an industry is really making sure that we have choices for consumers, that consumers have choices, and that they're able to make the choices that are right for them. And so as we have supported, and ultimately as was passed into law as part of the recent healthcare reform legislation, menu labeling, nutritional labeling of menu boards and menus on calories. That's a step forward, I think, in terms of that commitment. But it also is a nationwide standard, which is very important to our operators and our members, such that they're not involved in this kind of patchwork quilt of differing regulations from one state or jurisdiction to another. So that was a very important marker of milestone, I think, for our industry. The first time, really, our industry had proactively supported legislation of this magnitude in many, many decades. Beyond that, though, the Healthy Weight Commitment organization has really announced recently, and this is made up primarily of packaged goods companies, that they're going to reduce the calorie levels in foods in general by 1.5 trillion calories between now and 2015. We as the restaurant industry are also looking at what we might be able to do, and we have some conversations ongoing right now, actually, in that regard. And I think at the end of the day, it's going to be a company by company, chain by chain, organization by organization commitment that's going to be made here, and that's the way we believe it should be. There should be no mandatory regulations around these kinds of issues, but companies should be able to show their creativity and their commitment to this in the way that makes sense for their concept and their brand, and that's what we're trying to encourage, while at the same time being responsive to what we know are serious public health concerns.
There definitely is a lot going on in the restaurant industry right now, and you guys are doing a great job, we think, and hope to the industry's continued success.